It tastes like a restaurant pasta, to be very honest. I really like it.
Because it can cook healthier meals. Saving a lot of time for cooking, cleaning. I think Nimble was an angel for us.
A stress-free life, basically.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, this is Shivani.
This is Avish.
And welcome back to our channel. We were so excited and happy to try out their product. It's called Nimble Kitchen Robot.
We have been using Nimble for almost a month now.
Yes.
And we have some thoughts to share. We love having Indian food.
But it's really hard. It's time consuming, and especially we both are full-time employees and have a kid at home. So you know how that goes. Living in US is very expensive that we cannot afford a maid or a chef here like we do in India. First of all, let's start with how easy it is to use. Let's try an Italian dish today. Okay, let's try making a creamy veg cajun pasta for 4 people. And here you go, we need pasta, dairy cream, this onion, and we have everything at home. So I have chopped the onions and other ingredients, whatever I needed, and I already placed pasta, onions, tomato, and creamy green peppers. And let's proceed to the spices. We only need 1, 2, 3, 4 spices. And here is everything. This is how you put, and that's it. And just push it all the way and just click on proceed to checklist. And yes, it says select have oil and water. So oil and water containers are right here. So I've already filled it up. This is the oil container and this is the water container. So here you go, and let's just press the button, start cooking. Now let's Nimble do the rest, and I'll show you at the end of the video how the recipe turns out. The Nimble Kitchen Robot can cook a wide variety of recipes such as Indian, Mexican, Italian, and many more.
It also has a built-in database of over 1,000 recipes, so you can always find something new to try if you like.
And as soon as I received Nimble, you know, Avish, what I made.
Sweetness ka dish, Suji ka halwa.
Especially being a Gujju, like we need to have some sweet dishes, right?
Turned out
so great, like, and without doing any work, like no mixing, no stirring, nothing. It just did the job for me.
And the first curry we tried is paneer tikka masala, everyone's favorite in our house, including Shivan's.
And we substitute paneer with tofu. It turned out so well, guys. We tried a lot of recipes that it offers. Pongal and kesari bath that I never knew how to cook. And I tried it all especially with my private chef, Nimble.
The Nimble Kitchen Robot can read recipes and follow instructions. So you don't have to read in the books, recipe books, or check on YouTube for recipes, or call your mom at night to help you cook. The Nimble Kitchen Robot actually uses computer vision to identify the ingredients, size and weight. So it can learn and make a perfect meal for you how you want every time.
The Nimble robot is Wi-Fi enabled. That means that you can control it and see the progress of the recipe or your meal through your phone or your tablet.
You can maybe schedule a recipe to be cooked while coming home from work. Hey, by the time you reach home,
it's like a Uber Eats, right? You just order it something and the food is there, delivered by your door. Like
but
when
more
you
healthy,
come,
your own ingredients, your own choice.
Yes. The app has one of the best built-in recipe search functions. You can find recipes by cuisine, dietary restriction for sure. One of my favorite is to search by ingredients. For example, you only have 2 or 3 ingredients at your home and you want to cook something. There is an option for that too. The app provides step-by-step instructions for each recipe, so you can easily follow along. The app creates a shopping list for your ingredients that you need to get it for your recipe. Also, the app lets you create a meal plan on what you want to cook this week.
So let's see how's the recipe turning out so far. It looks so delicious and yummy. So we'll come back at the end of the video and see how the recipe actually turned out.
Nimble can not only cook for you, but it's so easy to clean as well.
Yeah, all the containers are dishwasher safe.
Yes.
So you can end up saving a lot of time for cooking, cleaning, everything. It also adds up, right? When you are going and making your kid ready, you don't have to run around and say, hey, I also have to cook, I also have to clean, or to do a lot of stuff in the morning, and you are getting stressed before your work. Instead, this will give you
A stress-free life, basically.
Yeah.
Usually some days we don't have much time to cook dinner. A lot of time we are stuck in a meeting, so something comes up. Nimble is very helpful for us.
Yeah, because it can cook healthier meals. It can use a lot of different methods to retain nutrients. That actually really helps in health. Being like recently one of my relative who was very close to me, they were diagnosed for cancer, and I was researching about cancer, and it says like just how the ingredients matters, and like over the time what you eat would add up into like how your health would perform.
Yes.
Over the time. So I was really into healthy lifestyle, and I think Nimble was an angel for us. The Nimble kitchen robot can also help in family bonding. You can cook meal with the family together, or you can let the robot cook while you spend time with your family.
That's true, and I love spending time with my son. He's now kind of interested in cooking as well, so I have been teaching here and there like small minor things. And after we got Nimble, he got so excited. He wanted to load ingredients into the robo, and then he's been just sitting there by the machine just looking at it. He is so excited about it. And then
one weekend we were cooking like his favorite dish, and he was like,
it was gajar ka halwa. He loves it. And then once it came out, he's like, oh my god, I love it. And then we finished it. Like he finished almost the whole thing.
Yeah, he said his eyes light up and tried, and he said, this is yum. The best thing about Nimble's private chef is you don't need to wait a lot. You can pre-order now, and the shipping starts November 2023, and major states of US followed by other regions.
Bonus for our subscribers: if you pre-order using our link,
you can get 50% off on the pre-order price, and link will be in the pinned comment right below the like button.
So click that right now, and let's see how the recipe turns out. So guys, I just got the notification that my pasta is ready, and when I came down, it looks like this. It looks so good. It looks so yummy. Let me try it and see. So how the pasta is so hot, like it just got done, guys. So it's still very hot. So it's really, really creamy. It tastes like a restaurant pasta, to be very honest. I really like it. I'm gonna try one more time. It's hot, but it's very yummy. I never had this kind of pasta. It's a veggie, creamy veg cajun pasta. So I never had it. It's really yummy. You can see I'm just keep eating.
If you think this will help someone you know, please share it with them.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do comment down below if you have any question regarding Nimble. Bye bye.